Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert batteries in Razer Pro Click Mini. To do this, first we'll need to open the top cover. There's a slot right here that you can insert your fingernail and then simply open it. Inside there's two slots for batteries. There's AA batteries that you need. And for now I'm just going to take them out. Now to insert them, align the plus right here, and the minus on the other side. So it should go in like that. First we're gonna insert minus, then the plus. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.